Cleaning parts, aniloxes, plates, screens and so forth is important in the label industry to keep a high productivity and a high print quality. Some of you in the label industry would probably say that cleaning UV inks is easy. You just take a cloth and that's it. But many other printers in the label industry would say that using UV inks can lead to a mess if the used items are not handled and cleaned properly. If you get UV inks on your fingers or on your shoes, it's everywhere. So why not choose a cleaning system that saves you time on cleaning and still clean your parts? Many label printers face problems when they clean parts, especially doctor blade chambers, where you can easily cut yourself on the blade. And no one, of course, wants their employees to get injured. A parts washer customized for your parts can help you avoiding cuts and still cleaning the parts. Cleaning screens is difficult to do manually, and therefore many label printers don't reuse their screens. It's very fragile, and therefore if you clean it manually, it can easily be damaged. But actually, a screen can be cleaned in a machine and reused afterwards. And who doesn't want to save money and think sustainable? If you're one of the label printers that use both water-based and UV-based inks, we also have a cleaning solution for you. Our cleaning liquids are tailor-made to your inks. One of the things press operators don't want to focus on is cleaning. They don't want to scrub plates or clean aniloxes. They want to print labels and operate their machine and make sure that their press runs at its highest capacity. So why not let your press operators do what they are good at and let the machine do the filthy job? Come by our stand at Label Expo and let's discuss how you can make money on having an automatic cleaning system.